Hey, Megan and Dan.
Sorry we can't be there for your wedding.
Yeah, if I wasn't bursting at the seams with this baby, we would totally be there enjoying the beautiful scenery, delicious pie, and magical wedding festivities. But our countdown to parenthood is definitely on.
It is. So when you can't be at the wedding, you have to send a wedding gift, right? So when thinking about Megan and Dan, what did we come up with for a practical, real-world wedding gift?
A cowbell, of course.
A brand new, heavy-duty, rusty metal, wall-mounted cow sculpture with a functional bell hanging right from its neck.
Practical, you might ask? Exactly how might such a wedding gift be practical? Well, let us count the ways.
Let guests know it's time for dinner.
Come and get it. Call your dog.
Annoy your neighbor.
Let Dan know it's time to mow.
I know. Let guests know it's time for dessert.
Who wants cake?
I'm in the shower. Alert Dan, you're going into labor.
It's time. Just use it for decoration.
Let guests know it's time for drinks.
Let's get this party started. Or to announce a toast.
To Megan and Dan.
Two creative and interesting people who we are so happy to know. We hope your marriage is healthy, happy, and full of fun.
Enjoy your new cowbell. Wait, is that a cow?
Oh yeah, it's got horns.
Maybe it's a bull or something. Maybe it's a steer?
Megan will know.